Okay, this is a song from Boakye A.B. Boakye A.B. as requested by O2. Robert O2. Sorry if I don't get it correct. The song is Meko Amobiaba from Boakye A.B. Robert O2 requested this song. Oliver, Bright Answer, you are all welcome. I know you are watching. So the key is E flat. Let me put the phone somewhere. The song key is E flat here, because when we play the second string open, it's B, C, C sharp, D flat, D sharp or E flat. Second string, fourth position. At the same time, fifth string, sixth position. E flat, so this is the chord. Mi do so mi do. So sha ba 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 sha ba 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 so sha ba 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 ba. So that's the chord progression. Do, fa or re. Before we first rest on the so. That is so is B flat. Fa. And then we also either we play fa or re. Now we move to so. Fa is G sharp. So is B flat. And then we me bonia seventh. That is E flat seventh. We add this note here to the E flat chord. That is on the third string, sixth position. To the E flat chord, E flat major chord. We remove this finger and bring it here. And then we also re. Nahoma so So that's what they used to play the horns. The keyboard used to play the horns. Then after the horns, we give one time king. You see? That is fine. Do, mi, re, do, fa. You resort to fa. Again, do, mi, re, do, la, do, fa. Then we back the fa chord. Okay, so let's go. Then we spell the whole scale from La, from C, that is C. La, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, mi, re, mi, fa, si, sol. Again. That's the scale. That's the scale. So we'll rehearse it more. La, ti, do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do, di, re. From here going in, when you reach the T, it has become chromatic scale. Until you reach so. So we start from here. Then we play this. Do, mi, fa, mi, fa. Then we play. Then do. You see do here, but we play from the top. Again. Do, fifth string. This one we play the down or from down. Then so chord, but you didn't play the so like this, because we need re here. This one is not part, so you see T here and re. Again, so let's start. Again. La, do, la, so, fa. Then we get back. La, so, fa, mi, mo, re, mo, mi, fa. Again. La, do, la, so, fa. We go back. La, so, fa, mi, mo, re, mo, mi, fa. Again, so. Three times. Re to more. 4 times. Again. Ti, do, mo, re, mo, re, mo, re, mo, re, mo, re, mo, do, ti, do. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi. Do, ti, la, so, fa, mi. That's the feeling. Then the singer comes in. So let's do it again. So let's go slow. So again, one more time. So you see, that's the whole thing. back and you patch me. And I will be soon of yes, more. And why we me ponya when you panye. And then we also know man so. Then he plays similar thing for the second part. I don't want the lesson to be very long. This is intro. So if you are not satisfied, let me know. I will go back to the second part again to the solo because I know I owe you the solo. But for the second one, it's similar, the same thing. But if you want me to do it verbatim, let me know. I will do it again. So let me play over the song, then we end it here. So let's go. And I'm on the show, Odehyie. And now you Odehyie. And then we are so now, man, so. Same thing, we've done the progression. So, that's the whole thing. You see, the same thing is playing. So, let's end this lesson here. Emmanuel Otuo. Right, Emisa Waters, Fidelis Bonya, Imbami Samusega, Otu Evans, Robert Otu, you requested this song, Oliver Fremont. Your name will be finished on this planet. You see, my father in Italy, you are all welcome. To all my foreign friends, Ghana friends, Nigerian friends, Cameroon, Kenya, I know I have all friends all over the world. You are all welcome. I thank you. Make sure you've subscribed to this channel. Maybe you are new here. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video for others to join us because we want very big family. Together we stand divided, we fall. You are all welcome. We shall meet very soon for other lessons. You know this time is 2, 3, 4 lessons a day. If you have any gift for me, please, you are welcome. Maybe you have Momo, you have credit. Let me give you my number. My Momo number is 0595 655 488. It's my Momo number. If you have anything for me, you can send it to me. 0595 655 488. You can write it down if you have anything for me. Even one CD you have for me, I really appreciate because I can use it to buy credit, to upload the video daily. Sometimes they like this, you have to go live. But from now onwards, we go live every night from 234. We do live videos in the night. So stay tuned. There are more lessons to come. We will say lessons and lessons. The other new will be able to say, "Bibi awo actually what do me? Opesi yesu beyond the bar. Yesu yase di yesu. Minimisa kaka solo bi wo ma yase ye. Nyumu solo other songs I hear in the lessons in solo Oliver the Cock. The solo bi wo yase me ye. Kim Clever Kim abisa say ye solo yan 2002. You better was enter Clever Kim your solo. I will do it for you. That opportunity come but once. So you are all welcome. Don't forget to like the video, share for others. If you have anything for me, you are welcome. My WhatsApp number is 0550 624 337. 0550 624 337. Momo number is 0595 655 488. Even one CD credit or one CD Momo, I really appreciate you very much because what is from your heart is what you give. So if you give anything, even 50 pesos, I really appreciate it because I can use it to buy credit or to do data bundles so that I can use it to upload the video daily. Or sometimes I have to wait the whole night until maybe 12. I use free night data bundle because I have more bundle for midnight data bundle. So I have to go live and other stuffs in the night. Sometimes it's not easy, but for the sake of my fans and for the sake of my for the love of my work, I have to do it. So you are all welcome. Daniel Barton, George Plus, you are my all co-workers. Sound Factory, Freedom 108, Raspopo, you are all welcome. I know you do watch me. Thank you very much. We shall meet very soon for the other lessons.